Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to add slide numbering to your slides. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you've selected all the slides which you might want to have slide numbers on. I'm going to just apply this to all of them, so I'm going to select the first one and then I'm going to press the Shift key and then click on the last one, and notice that selects all slides in between as well. And then to get the slide numbering, I'm just going to click on Insert. Down here where slide numbers, and then this little pop-up is going to show up. Do I want slide numbers on or off? Well, they're currently off. I do want them on, so I'm going to click it on. Skip title slides, and then apply to the selected slides. All right, so I go back to my title slide. Notice no numbering anywhere. And then on the next slide, which is not a title slide, there is a little 2 in the lower right hand corner, and if I keep moving you'll see that go up all the way up to 6, which is a nice way to let both the presenter and the audience know how many slides they've seen or gone through, and if the presenter knows how many slides there are, it's a nice way for them to understand and gauge where they are in their presentation as well.